How to fail at property development. So last Tuesday, I agreed to sell this place, Otterhead House, and the old chicken house. Now, I'm not going to tell you how much for yet, but what I can tell you is it was 3 times what I paid for it all the way back in 2017, but it was over 200 grand less than the offer I turned down at the tail end 2022. Is that a good deal or not? Well, it depends. It depends on the circumstances surrounding it, and it also depends on the plan going forward. So I'm just gonna have to leave you guessing for the minute on that one. So over the last 2 years, I have experimented with a number of different careers. In that time, I've built a course. That course is the First Time's Essential Guide to Property Renovation and Development. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Didn't really push the marketing on it for various different reasons, but I'm bringing it up to the forefront again now, so get in touch if that's of interest. I've also done coaching across a variety of different sectors. They include mental health, business development, and property renovation development. Still doing a bit on the property side. Again, if of interest, get in touch. I've also written about 80% of a book. So yeah, been busy, but that's what it's like living with an ADHD brain. Hopefully, in October, this place and the old chicken house will be sold. What this means is that I'll have essentially sold all of my income. Now, surf trips in Bali do not grow on trees, unless you cut them down, of course. Therefore, I've got to find a way to earn some money. And I've decided to go all in on property development, because this, I've realised after 2 years of piss-arsing around, is my true, real passion. Now, this was reinforced a couple of weeks ago when I was doing viewings on this place. In the first week of going on the market, we had 10 people come and view. Out of those 10, 4 of them offered. That's 40% hit rate. That is pretty damn good. Each and every single one of those 10, whether they wanted to buy it or not, all individually said, bloody hell, this place is good. This is like really good. In fact, it's super unique and we haven't seen anywhere quite like it. Now obviously it's all very nice and a big compliment, but it just reinforced that actually I'm all right at this stuff and I've kind of got a bit of an idea what I'm doing with it. Therefore, I've made the decision just to go absolutely all in. Now, property development, if you've got no income in the background, is a tough game. I'm not going to dress it up. It's not easy. Therefore, you need to go 110%. So back to the original question at the start of this video, the way to fail at property development is not to focus on it. If you want to succeed on something, you need to really focus on it and give it 110%. If you've got any questions around any of that, please do get in touch. Always happy to help. See you next time. Cheers. Bye.